In front of me is Samsung Tab S10 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by launching Gallery app and selecting one of your albums. Then hold one of your pictures to get rid of, and to pick multiple right away, click All at the top left corner. To keep some of them, tap on the chosen ones, and to get rid of the rest, use bin icon at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!